How to fix your COD cannot connect to servers. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go and check your server status. You need to always make sure that COD servers are up and running. And if that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and power cycle your network devices, like restarting your router and modem. Also ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Run speed tests if necessary. Also keep in mind, open NAT is the best for COD. If you have a strict NAT type, then you might be facing this problem. You can also go ahead and enable UPnP on your router for better connectivity, or you can just call your ISP to do it. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check if you have allowed your COD through your firewall. Simply go ahead and do it if you haven't already. You might need to flush DNS and renew IP to fix network issues if you need to. Here are all the useful commands that you need. And you can also go ahead and change your DNS server. I've also mentioned the best DNS servers right over here. Always make sure that your game is running the latest version, and if nothing works, try reinstalling Call of Duty. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.